the foundation of controllable ceramic processes. In ceramic manufacturing, quality starts long before shaping and firing. It starts with the powder. Particle size distribution, particle shape, and powder condition influence how materials behave throughout the entire process, from compaction and shaping to sintering and final component performance. When powder conditions are not controlled, the consequences often appear much later: unstable processes, optical defects, cracking, or fluctuating product quality. That is why reliable sample preparation and particle characterization are essential. Only representative samples, suitable comminution, controlled dispersion, and meaningful particle analysis provide the data needed to understand and control ceramic processes. Fritsch provides reliable sample preparation and precise particle analysis technologies that help manufacturers understand, evaluate, and control complex powder systems, the foundation for controlling powder condition, shaping, and sintering behavior to achieve consistent ceramic quality.